Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the transportation mode on THERMOMIX TM6. The transportation mode will lock your device in place. Let's click on the three lines in the top left corner, go to the settings, and then the transportation mode will be right here. And now when I select it and click on activate, it will lock my bowl with the cap. So now it's locked in place, and now I can turn off the device by pressing and holding on the selector. And now I can unplug it from power after it shuts down and transport it somewhere. Put it in a car, and yeah, the bowl won't fall out now. And now when I turn on the device, let's see, because I don't remember if it'll automatically unlock or if we'll need to deactivate it. Okay, yes, it is actually automatically deactivated. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.